Hello everyone, Car Spotter 2.0 here. We're back with another unboxing video, and today we got something very special that just arrived, from eBay. And believe it or not, this is my very first item. This is that I actually got found on eBay and bought from eBay. This is the 1965 Ford Mustang, the one that started the entire line of Mustangs. If you believe it or not. Well, this one actually had the heat fleet. A paint job. That's what this car is, a heat fleet. Back in the day. It was 11 years ago. And once again, I finally had this one. A replacement to the one I lost so many years ago. And I'll tell you guys about that one. The first 65 Mustang I have is blue. Oh, and I lost that one years ago. Oh, and this one I just got today is my replacement. I'm so glad I actually got this car. Again, after so long. Right now, let's continue learning more about this one. Now, you guys know about the Mustang, right? Especially all you Ford guys. This is the first generation of the Mustang. And soon enough, after this video, I'll be doing a Mustang tournament with every Mustang, including the 65 Mustang. So, right now, let's go get a closer look at this one and see what's special about this 65 Mustang as the fastback version. Here we go. Here we go, you guys. It's out there. Yeah, no, this one is a special color. No. I think this one has brown on it, and there is flames on it. But there's a special feature. And take a look at the hood. It actually opens. Reviewing the engine. Look at that. It's very nice just to have one of these. These again, and with the hood that opens. Now back close of the hood. Let's take a look at the rest. Now this shape is actually a little different than the fastback version I have. That's because this is the OG Mustang. And on the there's nothing. But I know this is a 1965 Ford Mustang. Alrighty, guys, that's it. We got another Mustang video. Now comes to a close. Up next is our Mustang tournament. I'll see you guys in that one. Bye bye.